Vinny on Christmas Eve. Hi, Vinny. What are you holding? Any of your gifts? Oh, you're gonna open. Oh, that's not for you. No, honey, that's not for you. That's not for you. That was something. That's for somebody else, honey. That's for somebody else. Here, come over here. Look at your ducks. Come, Finn. Come here. Griffin, what are these? These a duck for you? Duck. What's that? And there's some more ducks. You said ducks? Ducks. Ducks.
Oh, are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? Is Granddad Dandy playing with your toy?
What is that toy, Max?
It's
You don't remember? What was it called, Daddy?
TIE Fighter.
A TIE Fighter. Okay.
From? What movie is it from?
Star Wars. Bad guys. Where's that bad guy? Toy guy. Where's that bad guy? What's wrong with it? Oh, where?
Did I say Christmas 2008? Breckenridge, Colorado.
Are you showing all the dead animals?
There's Starbuck. Whoa. What is that? Darth Vader.
No, he's
That's
flying.
not?
He's flying.
Oh,
He's bad guy. The bad guy flying.
there's Starbuck. Just some
Shooting
sauce.
him! Shooting him!
What? No. Jeff, can you help? I'm videotaping. I can't watch him eating gifts. Kitchen, Kristen and Susan. Cooking. They're part of the meal. There's Finny going to explore in the kitchen. Huh?
You couldn't get it on?
And he's coming around this way. There he is again. There he is.
Here's my other Optimus Prime. Here's my other
Alright. We'll take more later. Bye-bye. Finny, say bye-bye.